Welcome back to the LLM Coding Challenge. Episode 4. Word Frequency Counter with a Bar Chart. The task: count word frequencies and display the top 5 as a bar chart. One shot, no follow-ups. First up, Opus. Opus delivers the most concise solution at just 30 lines. It uses string.strip to remove punctuation from each word. Notice the right-aligned formatting and proportional bar scaling. Clean output with the word "the" appearing 13 times. Next, Sonnet. Sonnet writes the most thorough solution at 96 lines, 2 separate functions with full docstrings. The code is well structured. It uses string.maketrans to remove punctuation and counter for frequency counting. Sonnet also prints the sample text and raw frequency data alongside the bar chart. Very detailed output. Finally, Haiku. Haiku takes a middle approach at 49 lines. It includes a docstring and clear inline comments. The code is clean and readable, but the bars use raw character counts instead of scaling proportionally. Five words displayed, but raw counts make the chart harder to read. Time to score. 8 criteria. Opus scores 7 of 8. Clean and concise, but no docstring. Sonnet takes a perfect 8 of 8. Full docs, scaled bars, clean code. Haiku scores 7. Good code, but bars not scaled. Sonnet wins for the first time. Subscribe to see the next challenge.